Hello everyone and welcome to day 83 of the 1000 days of no code challenge. As a developer, you might always want to see who are the users who have still not verified their email, who are the users whom you have given admin access, who are the users who have bought something, who are the users who have different accesses and so on. And that is very tedious if you keep adding filters in your app data every time you want to see it. That's why we have something called views in the app data in Bubble. That's what we are going to explore today to see how do we add filters to create different views which can be saved with appropriate names so that we can find it easily every time we get into app data as developers. Let's get started. So to create views, let's go to data and we should be in app data. We'll go to users and we will see who are the users who have already verified their emails and who are the users who have not verified their emails. Now, every time I want to see this, I have to go to 10 additional fields and then email verified equals to yes, right? Click on see. Okay. Now, we have two users who have verified their email address. Okay. One thing we can do though is click on this edit. Okay. And here we can mention verified users, right? So you give a meaningful name so that you know what this filter is meant for. Likewise, you can duplicate this view and either click on this one or this particular thing and you can mention this as unverified users. Here, instead of email verified equals yes, we will make it as no. Click on save. You can see that all the other users apart from these two users are in the unverified users, right? Likewise, we can also create a different view which is admin equals to yes, and here we can say admin users, right? You can also select what are the fields that you want to show in this particular view. So I'll remove file. I'll just have email address and the name. Admin is anyways yes because I know that I've added that filter. We can just have create a date and modify build. Click on save. You can see that you have email, you have name, you have create a date and modify name. You can do this with any data types. Okay, for example, all logs. So if we go here and if we say old name is not empty, okay, we can say logs with old name, right? And click on save. So you have this logs with old name and you can see that all of these records as old name in it, okay? Likewise, we could make a copy, click on edit and we can make this as logs with new name and change this to new name isn't empty. Click on save. You can have all the records which has new name in it. This way, you can create different views, thereby making it easy for you to go to the views and see what are the records which match those views. This particular view will automatically be updated as and when the records are updated. For example, in verified users, we have just 2 accounts. If I go to unverified users and go to any of the users and make email verified as yes, click on save. Just before that, we can see the user is Joshua. I'm clicking on save and now this particular user is moved from here to here. This way, the views are making a lot of sense because you have given it a meaningful name. Now, that's how you create views in app data. Now, as we saw, the beauty of this is when you set up views in development version, the same views are also created in live version. Take some time, create the views that you always keep using as a developer and share your thoughts on how views are helping you as a developer. And that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.